I'll just nick it. Go, oi!
Got the C4 charges.
No, you haven't. No, drop. Fuck! One more time for good measure. Yeah. This is ridiculous, man. If I have to go through that room one more time, and this one, I guess I'll just ignore it and avoid it and stuff. You know, I think you do. Nothing found. Okay, I'm out of here. Maybe I'll just shoot your head off while you're on the floor. No, I won't. Right, that works. Now let's get the fudge bombs out of here. Is there going to be another one? To ruin the whole charade? It's not a charade, I'll have you know. Okay, that was fine. Oh yes, I do want to save. I'd rather have saved before this room of catastrophic cheese. But oh well. Oh no, this playthrough has one instance of the F word now.
The automatic defense system is active.
It's not fair. Grenades. No, only one, because I only needed one. Thank you very much. Pop. I mean poff. Stop being so angry.
Area clear. Doors unlocked.
Not really, no, there's a squiggler.
I've got the C4.
There isn't.
I've marked the places for you to set the charges. Start with the underwater elevator, then take care of the bridge control room, which is next to the scientific module, and finish with the room before the heliport gate.
Oh gosh.
I'll meet you there when I'm done.
Don't give me too much to remember, will ya? Yoink, aha. More spear gun ammo. Yum. And now there's going to be something dodgy in here. Yeah. Oh. Just those things, never mind. Bye. I'm faster than you. You don't have to fight half the enemies in this game. Right, you're obviously going to come out, aren't you? Nope. So suspenseful. Right, where am I going to put it, huh? Squiggle. Squiggle. Where am I going to put it? Where do you want me to put it? Underwater tunnel elevator. Oh. Moo. Wait, what was that? Oh. This really is Metal Gear Solid now. In his house. Right, obviously one of them's going to come out when I try and do this, because he's going to be quite angry. Where am I going to put it? Where do you want me to put it? I don't know. Whatever, here I guess. No! Get ready. I don't know where you want me to put it. The underwater elevator. Where?
The damn thing's stuck.
Where do you want me to put it? Objects. Place it on the marker in the underwater elevator. Underwater tunnel elevator. I do not see a marker. Thank you very much. Where is this marker I've heard so much about? I'd like you to tell me right now. Otherwise this will just take a lot longer than it needs to. And then I'll be angry. Like an angry man. Like him. Like him. Exactly like him. Exactly like Kim. Lieutenant. There is no marker. There is no marker. Bog off then. What is this nonsense? Why is there no marker? Stupid. Wait. I'm in the lab's main elevator. I don't know. Hopefully it's over here. Oh, yep. Underwater elevator, right, where's the marker? There. He doesn't have... no. No. There. We'll read the diary first, just in case we die. Oh, blah 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 blah. What we're creating here can only be called monsters. It is a good thing that it hates the light, otherwise it could be virtually uncontrollable, hint hint. Oh, stop saying that. It stared at me all day in the lab. I could feel its eyes on my crotch area. That's its howling. That, what? To my horror I discovered that its howling made all the lights in the entire scientific module go out. Stuff. Sorry, did you not read that? A slight disturbance in the force, like some sort of fart. I mean, of heat mist. When it struck hard enough to injure itself, it faded into view for a moment. Oh, come on. This is the longest thing I've ever seen. Oh wait, I haven't looked at my crotch for a while. Oh, sharp! Oh my god, man. Seriously. I want to play a game, not read a book. Today is a day of calamity. And that he is hiding somewhere, awaiting metamorphosis. Oh. Still no word from the whaler. Still no sign of Victor. This time I was very nearly done for. I'm going to take refuge in the sickbay. Oh, finally it's the end. That was the longest thing I've ever seen. Oh, stop. You just said that already.
Great, it's locked.
What? Oh, yeah, hey, look, a live bloke. He's about to have a surprise. So where am I going? Oh! Run! It's gonna flood this place, isn't it? I'm gonna die. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's alright. The water in this game doesn't work realistically, so it's fine. Now you're gonna come out. I just know it. Place the second charge on the marker in the scientific module bridge control room, which is up here. I do believe. Yeah, it is. Wait, don't waste all your resistance. One of them might come out, and then you'll be stuck with your pants down. literally, if you actually take your pants off, which would be a good idea. No, not saying I want him to take his pants off, I'm just saying it would be funny, because the monsters would have their way. Fine, I guess they're not coming out. Well, cheese land. So many save points in this realm. Oh my god. Where shall I put it? There. Run! Run! We got a dodgy camera angle, so this must be right. Oh my gosh.